Emily, can you tell Daddy all about your color?
Red, blue, green, red, and the bush, and blue.
And can you tell Daddy what are those?
Raindrop.
Raindrops?
Raining in the... No, Christian, no.
Christian, just a second.
I'm just looking.
And so are those raindrops? And where do raindrops come from?
From a cloud.
In the cloud? What happened with the cloud?
Heavy.
It gets heavy?
Yeah.
And what happened when it gets heavy? What happens when it gets heavy? Can you tell Daddy what happens when the clouds get heavy?
What happens?
Raindrop.
It rains.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And you make all those raindrops?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Show Daddy.
Where are the raindrops? Wow, so pretty, Emily.
We're so
That's such a good
proud.
job.
And tell Daddy, where did you want to go on the weekend?
And then you
The
To
museum.
the museum?
not shower and go to the room and mommy and Christian.
She was to shower and goes to the museum. Not today, sweetie. I told you. We're going to have to go some other day. What do you
Yeah,
want to see in the museums, said Daddy? What do you want to see there?
Dinosaur.
The dinosaurs?
Yeah.
The big dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Wow, Christian loves watching the dinosaurs at the museum.
So, and how do you say museums again? How do we say museum?
Museum.
Oh, that was better. Say bye to the camera. I'll give
Bye.
give
Bye,
that.
butterfly.
Oh, bye-bye, butterfly. Silly girl.